What's happening, people? Welcome to another video with Allsortz on this cold and frosty morning, as you can tell on the grass. And we are started with some work on my Nissan Pulsar GTi-R. I've done a playlist of videos, so if you haven't seen it, make sure you check it out. In today's video, we are going to attempt to change the brakes on this Nissan Pulsar GTi-R, not just the fronts. We are going to change the rear as well, and not just the brake pads, we're going to do the discs also as well. But let me just talk to you a little bit about the front brakes. As the title says, yes, we are putting Mitsubishi and Renault parts on my Nissan Pulsar GTi-R. We're starting off with the discs. Now the discs on the front of this Nissan Pulsar GTi-R are Renault Clio 182 Sports, and it's also got calipers from Mitsubishi FDO and also the brake pads. Coming to the rear, it's pretty basic, it's standard. You got standard discs and standard pads for the Nissan Pulsar GTi-R. Here are some of the parts I've actually accumulated over the last few months. So if you don't follow me on my social media, make sure you follow me, as there's a lot of videos I actually post on there. So as you can see, we've got some standard brake pads, we've got some upgraded brake pads from the Mitsubishi FDO, same again with the discs. We've also got this front downpipe here, which apparently is from a 2-litre GTI. It's not the GTi-R version. But we've also got track rod ends and drop links for the car as well. So not only that, we've got some more parts in the house as well, but we're going to save that for another video. So if you haven't followed, make sure you follow, make sure you subscribe and hit the like button. Brake pads and Renault Clio Sport discs. Now we had a little problem at the back. The discs and the pads are standard, but the discs that I got were actually different. So even though I told them the right car and the number plate, they still gave me the wrong disc. So we just changed the brake pads, but we left the brake discs, but they're alright for now. The main thing was the front ones, which we actually got the right ones for, so yeah, that's all. But anyways, that was another video of my Nissan Pulsar GTi-R. Like I said, make sure you subscribe if you haven't, because I've got a lot more videos planned with this car. If you want to see any other videos, let me know in the comments. But yeah, that's all the brakes sorted on my Nissan Pulsar GTi-R. The stopping power is immense with the upgraded front brakes. Time to do some more modifications in the next video, so stay tuned. Make sure you subscribe. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you again for another video.